guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be discussing really something very important according to me. Okay, so today we are going to be discussing what are my top 10 products that have my top 10 products in the last month. I'll try to do this every single month so you guys know that I have used and abused these products, so you will know that these are the products that I have actually used and I have loved it. First and foremost product which you will see in almost all of my looks last month's look is this Zudio lip gloss. I can't begin to tell you how much I love this. I wear this on my bare lips, on my lip looks, and in fact I kept my lips matte because I wanted to wear it in front of you guys in this video to show how it looks. I finished half of it. It really is so good for 150. I'm not talking only from the price point of view. It's non-sticky. First of all, it's very lightweight and it gives such a nice shine, such a nice glow. Many people have asked me in fact which lip gloss are you wearing, and when I tell them they don't believe it. This was transparent, but because I have used so much it has become pink. It has the best vanilla smell. Just one coat. If you apply the second coat it'll look even better. I mean, I love this. And let me just show you how it's not so sticky. Do you see those lines? No, it's really lightweight, and you can even put it on your eyes and gives that glistening glow. It's so good. I cannot talk enough about this product. I love it that much. Second up are these three beauties, I would say. Another one is in that room. That is actually one of my favorites and I use it every single day, so you can see how much I finished. Okay, they smell good the last 4 to 5 hours and they're really inexpensive. This one is of 300 and I personally suggest this fragrance, which is called Madrid and Las Vegas. It's really good. It's unisex, so you can gift it as well. Under a budget, you're a teenager and you don't want to gift something expensive. Trust me, these are really good options. Or you can give them like 5 of these sample size products because they're gonna love this. Trust me, start gifting sample size products. They get to try a lot, and if they like it, they're gonna get the big size. Okay, so this one is for 79 only and it smells amazing. You won't believe it, but I am actually, oh, it's over. It's almost, it's over. It's this much. I was saving it up. I don't know how much I've used the fragrance. Jive, go get it. It's really good. The third thing is this Masaba lipstick. Okay, this is in the shade Believe in You. This is how it looks. Really amazing packaging and the shade is so beautiful. This shade is so good. Look, this is such a rich shade. Penta, it's your evening shade. It's so good. You can even dial it down and wear it in morning, and you can wear it as a blush, you can wear it as an eyeshadow. You know all the tricks that you can pull off with a creamy lipstick. And this one is really good. It's really matte once it sits down, and it stays on for a very long time. And I wore this quite a lot on my trip and I really like it. This was a gift by Nika on my birthday. Because the next thing that I want to show you guys are these Amazon brushes, which I got really long back. These are for like, you get 12 brushes for 200 rupees, which is dirty cheap. I recently started enjoying them. I recently started using them more often in my makeup, and I realized they're kind of very useful, and they're really good, except for the part that they come out very easily. Like this comes out very easily. If you secure it with Fevikwik, you're good to go. Not only, I'm not saying just for beginner, you can, even if you're pro, you can use these are really good. I'm not saying these are the best quality big brushes. Of course there are good quality brushes, but you can definitely if you're starting out, get these. Even for my everyday makeup, I am using everyday foundation application, I'm using a brush. I'm using this brush, okay, and it works beautifully blends the product. Takes half the amount my beauty sponge would have taken. Although I would say one thing, their face makeup brushes are better than their eye makeup. Eye makeup has only blending brush. And next up are these Zudio liners. Okay, I am personally enjoying them a lot more because of, firstly, their applicators are super good. They're super liquidy in texture. They dry out, not very soon, but yeah, their dry out time is pretty good. And because of the funky colors that they are available in blue, green, brown, black, I mean, I love these colors and I have been using them, you know, with every look, colorful look that I'm creating. So yeah, and they retail for 99 or 79, I'm not too sure. I have done a Zudio haul and I might have told you in that. So these are really not so expensive and they're very good and very colorful. So go ahead and get these as well. They're really nice. And these are the clips from Zudio that I've been enjoying quite a lot. Very nice, and they look very good when I do my makeup. So I just apply like this to hold my hair, and they hold my hair also pretty nicely. So I've been using them in quite a lot of my videos. And the claw clip that I'm wearing right now, again, that's one of my favorite as well, because of you know how much I'm using them and I'm loving using them. Like, I'm gravitating towards them unconsciously. That means I like them, of course, right? So that's why I have put them in the list, right? I have this Lotus sunscreen. This has been the sunscreen which I have used last month completely, and I am almost about to finish it. Like, I take 2 fingers like this, that's the trick, right? 2 or 3 fingers, I have no idea. It's very lightweight and it gets absorbed very quickly, okay? And it has a very nice, pleasant kind of fragrance. Leaves a little bit of white cast as soon as you apply, but then it gets absorbed very quickly. If you're gonna get this sunscreen, I just want to tell you that you know, what you need to do is moisturize underneath very well. And if you put this sunscreen on top, first of all, it will melt, because if the moisturizer is heavy, then this does not leave a white cast. I don't know how to explain you, but yeah, so this gets mixed with the moisturizer and it leaves no white cast. You know, it helps you remain matte for the longest time. I finished up this candle. This is the Miniso apple spice candle. Just want to tell you all, it smells really good too. Till now it smells really nice. I finished it up, it was really good. It scented the whole room and I enjoyed it. Of course, mere sardiyon ka sathi is this Vaseline lip balm. I have enjoyed. I have finished half the tub, tin, whatever it is. I really love this. I use this at night. In the morning I use the Minimalist. I started using the Minimalist SPF 30 lip balm. I needed to do something about my lips, so because they are hyperpigmented. My favorite thing, which you will see every single day on my YouTube shorts, which you will see me using, I'm telling, this is the Earth Rhythm, you know, cleansing pad. This one is dead, literally. I have used it so much. Amazing, super soft, really good. Okay, so I'll tell you the way to use this, how I use it. I soak it in water. Of course, you have to soak it in water. Then just what I do is I melt the whole makeup with this. Okay, I just move the makeup around with this particular pad, and it's so soft. It really is the best thing. It's really soft. The microfiber is really good. And so instead of cotton pads, because whenever I have seen I used cotton pads, my skin would start burning because it was stripping away a lot. This is not like that. It's really good. And yeah, you can see the red mark. I just swiped off my, you know, lipstick swatch from here. Yeah, so this is really good. So one I use to wipe my makeups, and sometimes I wash my face and I have to go around my neck area when I do extensive looks like the Avatar one or the Lion one. So I have to go, so I take the face wash on this and I wash, because you can't take bath. Okay, so we come to the end of this video. I hope you really enjoyed this. If you did, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you want me to do, because I will be reviewing products left, right, center for you guys. And I want to keep an honest, I want to review each and everything for you guys. Whatever I have and whatever I can get in my capacity, I will do that for you guys. All right, and yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and love you all. Bye.